Let's have a look at 7 easy steps to keep fridge organized. Use anti-skid fridge liners. Whenever something spills on the shelves in the fridge, it usually ends up making the entire rack messy and sometimes even the corners. To keep the fridge shelves stain free and keeping it away from getting dirty, use anti-skid fridge liners. The fridge liners are extremely easy to clean. If something spills, just take it out, clean it and then place it back. It is so much better than wasting your time cleaning the shelves. Keep liquid dairy products in the upper part of the fridge. Keep milk, yogurt and other liquid dairy products on the upper shelf as they need to be stored at low temperatures as compared to other things. The upper shelves are usually cooler than the lower ones, but it also depends on the refrigerator. Some have lower ones cooler, so check your refrigerator. Non-dairy beverages and spices on the door. Non-dairy beverages such as juice, alcohol, cold drinks and other canned beverages can be kept in the door. Unlike milk, these do not require the coolest place of the fridge for storage. You can also store spices which require a little cooling in the door shelves. Baskets are everything. If you haven't used a basket to organize your food before, you are missing out. The good thing about them is that you can simply throw all the products in one place and not worry about a thing. Also, you can just take them out when you need something from the fridge. They offer an easy way to keep your foods organized by their type. This will keep the fridge organized and it will be a lot easier for you to locate and access things you require. Keep it fresh. You should use a freshener for a better smell. Instead of buying, you can always make some on your own. Like a box of baking soda or vanilla extract will also keep your fridge fresh. Soak a cotton ball or paper towel with vanilla extract and wait for it to dry before removing it. Don't overfill your fridge. Placing too many food items in your fridge can block air circulation. Make sure you don't overfill it. And also this allows you to have free space for immediate use. Have a dedicated space for everything. One of the biggest things that you need to decide when you are coming up with your organization system is where you want to store everything. Each food item should have a specific location in the fridge where they consistently put. You just have to go with what works best for your fridge design. I hope all this information helps. Do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest upload. Thank you.